Yes. Good hello to everyone. Whether you're listening this by the morning or the evening or the night or the noon, good afternoon, good morning. Welcome again to another episode of Jamaican Society. Now today it's a very, I am very sad about this news that I am reading today in our newspaper. I will provide a link in the description of this video. You can read the story fully if you choose to, of this news that I was reading. It's pretty devastating, and it's very sad when I have to read a story like this. I mean, it's pretty sad. It's pretty low, and I am wondering if this is the point where we are at. Is this where we are? Is this? I mean, I'm kind of lost for words right now, to be honest with you people. This story is about this young man who got sick, who fell ill, something was wrong and he just fell and, he fell and he died. He just grabbed his chest and obviously he was in pain and he collapsed and died. Now, the sad part about this whole thing is that people were around when he fell, and he actually said help, and he actually asked for help because obviously he was hurting. Now, it's very sad that people were there and people actually stood by, and instead of trying to help this young man, he's 17-year-old, I think. I don't remember if he's 17. I think that's what I read in the paper. But people stood by and just watched this young man. Not only watch, but they actually grabbed their phones and their recording devices, like their phone cameras, and start recording and start watching this thing, watching this young man die, instead of helping him. They were just shooting videos, doing videos instead of helping this young man. The people them just draw for their phone and just watch youth. Now, me can't really understand this. Me not really understand this, and me can't believe say, yes, so we reach. How come we reach so? Jamaica, we need to look into ourselves right now, and we need to examine ourselves before we lose everything. It look like we are lose everything slowly but surely. Now it look like we are gonna lose we heart. We are lose all we heart, and now we not care totally for nobody. Because me can't understand how you are gonna draw for your phone and say somebody are dead, and you draw for your phone instead of trying to help. I gotta say, my condolences to the family of Tristan Graham. A very sad thing, and I just hope the Lord will guide you guys and, help to comfort you in this time of sorrow. I can't understand it. This one, absolutely, me can't understand it. Believe me, every time I think about it, my brain frazzle out because me not understand how come they could have just stood there and just stand up there and watch him, and now I guess some taxi guy was there too, and then now him a say him nah move the person, him nah move this young man until somebody pay him $500. So me is not a Christian man, Me is not a Christian. Me is a God fearing man. Me understand it. So them thing you look like things where the Bible talk about. Like the love, the heart and the love of man just get cool. I reach to a point where we not even care if a man losing his life and or nothing to we. It come like just a normal thing. And we go draw for we phone so we can get the likes. Me don't know what they do with the video, whether they post it on Facebook or me don't know what they do with the video them. They post them on social media or sitting send around in a WhatsApp group. You know what I mean? But me da feel more happy if me could have helped that young man instead of shooting a video. Instead of taking out my camera and I videotape the thing. You know what I mean? That is really, really sick. It really sick to see these things happening in our society right now. Me no understand it, me no get it. Me no know if me will ever understand them or something. Like me say, me old school, so maybe because me old school. But my God, man, old school or young school, this a one you really, it low. We have to go examine ourselves and look into ourselves and make a U-turn. We have to go make a U-turn because where we are going now, I go lead down one dark road and we are going to regret it. This no make sense what me see. This what me I read in a paper no make sense. Like me say, me I provide a link in the description. You can read the full story for yourself and understand what go on and see what go on. Leave your comment below, like me always say. If you feel like engaging in a conversation about this, just leave your comment below and make we talk about it a little bit more, same way too. But this is a very sad topic to me. Me not like it. Me definitely not like this what me see happen. Because it just make me feel like we are lose we heart, We are lose we heart. And that's how we grew up. So me don't know how we reach this point here. How we reach to this point here now where we can just watch somebody. We just stand by, grab with phone and video record it happening. Boy, me I tell you, it rough. This here now rough. This a one here really, really rough. Me can't believe this. Say, yes, how we reach. Me don't know, but we have to go figure it out and get back on the right track before things get worse. Cause me I tell you, say things bad right now. Things really, really messed up right now. And me I tell you, say if we not look into ourselves and decide to make a change inside ourselves, it'll go get worse. It'll go get worse because we shouldn't be just standing by videotaping this happening. It is not right. Condolence to the family. Take care. Walk good. I'm done.